Have you ever wondered why shingles tend to fail faster in cold, freeze-thaw climates? Hi, this is Mehdi from SolarEx in Berkeley, California. One of the big reasons is moisture. As asphalt shingles age, the surface binder slowly erodes and the shingle becomes more porous. That means rainwater or snowmelt can more easily wet the surface and sit inside tiny micro voids between granules. Now in colder climates, that moisture does not just sit there, it freezes, expands and then thaws again. Over time, those repeated freeze-thaw cycles accelerate surface damage and granule loss. This is where a thin acrylic and surface level coating like ShinglEx 800 can help. ShinglEx 800 forms a very thin, flexible film on the shingle surface. That film helps shed liquid water and limit how much moisture the shingle absorbs during rain or snowmelt events. Simply put, less absorbed water means less freeze-thaw stress on the shingle surface. Just as important, here is what it does not do. ShinglEx 800 is not a vapor barrier. It does not trap moisture when applied to a clean, dry, and structurally sound roof. So the goal is not to seal the roof shut. It's to reduce unnecessary liquid water intrusion at the surface, especially in harsh weather conditions. If you are working in a freeze-thaw climate and dealing with aging but still serviceable shingle, this is one of the ways ShinglEx 800 can help slow surface deterioration and extend roof life. If you have any questions about whether a roof is a good candidate, feel free to reach out. Alright, questions, comment below, like it, hit like, once more, subscribe. Thanks for watching, see you next time.